Have you ever wondered why tomato plants need pruning? We've been experimenting with our cherry tomato plants. We've pruned some and the others we let grow out. They were planted at the same time but both grow totally differently. The results? The pruned plants has twice as many fruits compared to the unpruned tomato plant. This one is the pruned tomato plant. It's growing beautiful, looks healthy and is holding a lot of cherry tomatoes on each fruit stalk. You know it's pruned because it has only one stem growing instead of multiple. Pruning also allows air to pass through the plant easily. Another reason why you prune your plant is to help to keep it under control. This is our unpruned tomato plant. It started off looking big and healthy. It turned to a full bush and focused most of its energy into getting bigger instead of fruiting. It had a few fruits but nothing near what the pruned plant had produced. We will definitely be pruning our future tomato plants.